Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Venture Surplus, so feel free to check them out at venturesurplus.com. Also, I do believe they have a YouTube channel, Venture Surplus. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's figure out the best way to open this. But there's going to be a manifestor not in here, so we shall discover as we go along. Okay, we've got reinforced tape. Carefully cut through there. And we got paper on the top. And we got a sticker manifest. Set this aside real quick. In a pinch, you know, you can use these as paper targets too. Just saying. Anyways, Venture Surplus. Looks like made some notes here. No particular order. Skydex Velcro brand discs for helmet pads, 18-pack new. So it comes with the alcohol prep pads, clean up the surface. You can see the length of these. I don't have a ruler handy, of course. But they look to be about almost 2 inches in diameter, maybe 1.75. Some Skydex pads. Okay, USGI PASGT helmet cover BDU large used. Holes to stick in foliage and camouflage. Got the straps go underneath the liner area. I did see labels. Those, at least the lower areas are reinforced. Past these. I don't see a label anywhere. Oh, slight little stain or burn mark. That looks like an oil or material, some sort of compound stain. Might be able to detergent that out. We'll see. Right, so that was a PASGT helmet cover, and then this is in a sealed bag. It says 1993 on there. Let's see if I can move this down to here. Okay, we've got cage number, part number, adapter, headset, and it is a USGI J-arm Rhino swing arm. So, mount to Rhino head mount. And lastly, box out of the way, we have this big bag. Actually has a card. Cage code is shirt, cold weather synthetic, fiber pile, size large. It's $8.96. So I do believe I do have a video of this online. So it could be worn as a jacket, preferably as a liner, I believe is what they said in their video on Venture Surplus. The fluff. They did say something about piling occurring, so already I see a little bit of fluff coming off. It's manufacturing extra threads. But this is the USGI cold weather jacket bear suit, new large. So we got plastic zipper down the front, metal end cap, zipper. Oh, here's our tag. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this to show. Large, chest, stock number, NATO size. Shirt, cold weather, synthetic fiber pile, 10-year Industries Inc. We've got laundry care. Do not remove this label. Looks like a QC number. No pockets on the inside. We got a hang strap behind the neck. Pockets on the outside. We have chest pockets, Velcro. Small amount of bellowing on the outer edge, not on the inner edge. And we got a hand warmer / pocket. Some kind of fiber pile surface similar to this. Similar symmetric pockets, nothing on the sleeves. Cuffs have Velcro tightening with kind of narrow Velcro, just noticed. Nothing special about the collar, roll down, or full mandarin up. Zipper area, reinforced shoulders with this more poly surface, reinforced elbow to forearms. So, working our way backwards. Again, shirt, cold weather, synthetic fiber pile, aka the bear suit. And let's see, this is okay, not quite backwards, unless I got this. USGI J-arm, Rhino swing arm. Also made within the Rotos, I believe. USGI PASGT helmet cover, BDU large used. And we started off with some Skydex Velcro brand discs for helmet pads, 18-pack new. These all came from Venture Surplus. Feel free to check them out on their YouTube channel and check them out on their online store. Lots of stuff, as they say, in rotation. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on various vintage milsurp tools, expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, which are videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.